Our next stop is for those shoppers who love to shop. This is Union Square. Now, Union Square is like the shopping district. It is compared to like the West Coast Fifth Avenue. You've got Macy's, you've got Prada, you've got Louis. You got everything you need right here. They even have a Nintendo store, and you know I'm going to have to go in there. And if you want to ride the trolley, this is the best place to kind of pick it up. It'll go up to Nob Hill or down to Fisherman's Wharf. If you want to drive to Union Square, right across from Macy's is a parking garage so that you can park there and just walk across the street, take care of all of your shopping. They even have Louis Vuitton here. Yeah, I know, it's Louis Vuitton. I'm just phonetically challenged. Or do I excel phonetically? Phonetics maybe, but maybe not. Louis Vuitton or Vuitton Louis, Yoda once says. So the city has a lot of these decorated hearts around it. So there's like nice little sculptures throughout the city. I've seen probably about 7 of them so far. So right behind me is Neiman Marcus. You cross the street, you got Vera Wang, you got Montclair, and then you have Tory Burch as well. Just past Tory Burch, you've got Gucci, and then you've got Breitling also. And for a consolation prize, I'm going to throw in Sunglass Hut. Down the back side of the square, you'll have Williams-Sonoma, you got Tiffany and Company, and you had Saks Fifth Avenue, but I guess they realized they weren't on Fifth Avenue and they left. But you can at least see the building that they were in. One thing's for sure, they got this square on lockdown. So if you want to feel like you can be safe around here, don't worry about it. I mean, they even have a mobile command unit here. But they've got police cars scattered all across the square. At least 2 on each side. A pretty good presence here. Tuck parking, 9 a.m. to noon is $6. Noon to 3 is $6. 3 to 6 is $6. 6 to midnight, guess what? $5. 12-hour maximum is $40, and if you're here for 24 hours or you lost your ticket, it is $46 per day. If you're looking for a nice steak while you're around here, they do have Morton's right across the street from the old Saks Fifth Avenue and across from Pandora. Guess where I'm going next? My honey-do list never ends. Now, after my quick stop at Pandora, you got Victoria's Secrets and then Nintendo. That rounds out the major shops on the square. And while you're out here shopping, grab a little bite or bring a little picnic, and you can enjoy the park here at Union Square. So if you have any questions about Union Square, let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. And just so you know, that Macy's is 8 stories. It's a lot of shopping.